Sybiz Vision has incredible depth of capability for manufacturing runs and processes. This video series will introduce you to just some of the ways you can use this great functionality in Sybiz Vision to streamline and improve your manufacturing. The most basic level of manufacturing in Sybiz Vision is single-level assemblies, also known as kits. Single-level assemblies, or kits, in Sybiz Vision are a versatile way of bundling or combining products for sale as a single item. These products may also be sold separately or sold in combination. Of course, Sybiz Vision can handle much more complex manufacturing scenarios, but we will discuss those further in another video. Our outdoor setting, for example, is a group of products that are sold together. While we could add all of the underlying products individually, we only need to add this single product to a transaction, which includes all of the underlying components along with its own price and margins. So, our sales or account team members can process transactions with a single level assembly, without needing to worry about any complicated manufacturing processes. Now, if we already have this assembled item available in stock at the location we've chosen, it will simply pull that stock from inventory. But what if we don't have any of these outdoor settings pre-assembled? Our sales team member wants to process a transaction with this outdoor setting, and while we have all the underlying components sitting in the warehouse, not enough are bundled together just yet. In Sybiz Vision, we can nominate items to be manufacturable on delivery as well. Since we've now allowed this assembly to be manufacturable on delivery, Sybiz Vision will tell us how many will be assembled to fulfill the delivery. It will also alert us if there's not enough stock available at the chosen location. This gives us a lot of great capability to still be able to complete transactions on time for our customers without any unnecessary delays. One other great feature is the ability to modify our recipe on delivery. This customer has asked to substitute an item in the kit. They still want the same number of seats, but in a different style. We can easily remove the standard outdoor chairs from this assembly, and add a new line item for the products the customer wanted. You'll notice that the price hasn't automatically updated for this kit. This is because the price of the product isn't necessarily the sum of all the underlying products, or maybe you want your margins to change depending on the items. We still want to provide these items to the customer for the same price, so we'll leave these wicker chairs at 0. Sybiz Vision helps your sales team member by retaining the capability to update the price of the assembly manually on the transaction, to ensure the right price for the customer and the right cost margins for the seller. This won't permanently alter our assembly in the future either, so we don't have to worry about reversing any changes we've made on this single transaction. That's a look at just some of the capability in Sybiz Vision manufacturing. Keep watching to see how Sybiz Vision ERP can provide a streamlined process for more advanced manufacturing runs.